Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Make sure your Apple Watch and iPhone meet the version requirements. Once done, transfer the Fallout Face image assets to your iPhone and open the Custom Face app. You need to allow installation from the profile or developer setting in the app. This grants the app permission to push faces to your watch. While doing this, pay attention to file formats. Apple Watch prefers PNG with correct resolution, so you avoid scaling artifacts when you proceed. Once the assets are in the app, you create a new face and import the Fallout image, then position the center and set resolution so the dial elements align. Make sure to configure complications, choose time display, battery, and a widget that matches the Fallout aesthetic. You should also apply color overlays or alpha masks to preserve legibility. After you save the preview, use the iPhone Watch app to sync. Syncing pushes the final face and complications to the watch for immediate testing. You finalize by tapping Install in the Watch app and confirming on your Apple Watch. Allow the sync to finish fully before interacting. Test each complication and check for cropped or misaligned elements. If issues show up, reboot the watch and reopen the Custom Face app to resync. If the face still looks wrong, re-export the image at the exact Apple Watch resolution for your model and import again. This fixes most rendering errors. One key tip: restore original face if persistent errors occur, then retry cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.